Hello everyone, how are you all today? I hope you are doing great and amazing. So, first of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So, first of all, I will thank all of you to support my channels and as you know that we have already started लाइव क्लासेस जिसके अंदर मैं आपको लाइव क्लासेस में पूरा फुल कोर्स लेके आने वाली हूँ और अभी हमारा वी हैव डन 5 classes and sorry 6 classes we have already done and in this video we are doing practice startup mehndi designs. This class is special for beginners because when we are beginners na to so uh, designs is not come in our minds. That's why we are stuck when we start mehndi design. So if you will practice with me and start up designs and after some time you will see that you will feel comfortable, you will feel more confidence that you can able to apply mehndi designs from starting. So this is the video very helpful to you. So yeah, and if you want to really want to learn henna mehndi course, so please do subscribe my channel and so that you can uh, able to see my videos on time and you can complete your classes on time and you can able to earn. So let's get started. This is the first startup mehndi design and which is very uh, beautiful and simple. I'm not saying it is very hard because it is not hard. It is very easy. But for beginners, I will not say it is easy. It is difficult for beginners. But when they will be practice, definitely they can do and they can draw it. So do practice with me. If you like my efforts and like my classes, please do subscribe my channels and share with your friends and relatives and neighbors, those who want to really learn henna classes, really henna designs. So please do subscribe my channels and please keep practicing more and more, and when you watch this video, do practice. So do practice, keep learning, keep growing. So hello, I hope you watch this video till the end and keep keep practicing with me. So do practice with me. So if you like my efforts, so please like, subscribe and share. And I will tell you one thing, my English is not good, but I am trying. So please support my channels. Thanks for watching. Bye bye till the end.